All of these videos have millions of views, and surprisingly they weren't created with expensive video editing or professional freelancer teams, but with a simple strategy, ChatGPT and Canva. But before you think,
AI videos are no longer monetized.
I can do this myself, I don't need a tutorial.
I promise you there are two very important details that most gurus on YouTube don't tell you, and that's the reason why 90% of all YouTube channels look like this and never will go viral. So before your channel continues look like this, let me give you a strategy with which you can create tons of viral YouTube shorts in under 8 minutes, and that's completely for free. I will even show you a method during the video how you can already make money with your first video and 0 subscribers, and that's in any niche on YouTube. So watch the whole video, it will be worth it. Let's start with the niche. For our strategy to really work, we need viral video topics. This can be very difficult, but I already discovered a brand new niche a few days ago that didn't exist on YouTube like this before. Channels that only started a few weeks ago and have generated now over 10 million views. A channel that generate more than 30 million clicks with just one single video. The channel I'm talking about is called Wisdom Shots. As you can see, the channel doesn't have many videos but a lot of clicks. The channel has already over 45,000 subscribers, and that's with simple videos like this one. So the channel has already earned several $1,000s with just this video on YouTube AdSense, and that even though they are YouTube shorts. But this channel uses also another method to earn money with its videos besides YouTube. So we can assume that it earned several $1,000s in addition to the AdSense revenue with the secret strategy I mentioned before. There are many other channels that make exactly such videos and generate also extremely many views. This is not luck, but a system. So that we can also benefit from this, it's now time to talk about how we can now create such videos. The videos are relatively simple in structure. They have an AI generated background, a cool background music, and multiple text fields with interesting facts. So before we have to create each video individual, I will now show you a method how we can have such videos created in bulk. With this method, you can now upload videos daily and build more channels without expensive teams or hours of video editing. So let's get started with the first step. First, we need facts that we can use in our videos. Go to ChatGPT for this and enter the following prompt. The prompt is long, but it saves us a lot of time. Now ask ChatGPT to create 10 different fact sets on interesting topics. Each fact set should contain 5 facts. The facts should be short and catchy. Press generate. As we can see, ChatGPT now gives us a lot of facts with different sets. Each individual set corresponds one video. So we have now directly created 10 video scripts at once. If you want to create such fact sets on specific topics, you should mention these on your prompts. Now copy the result from ChatGPT and paste it into a new Google Docs file. This helps us later to insert the facts better in Canva. If you want the prompt from this video here, then just write prompt in the comments and I will send you the prompt. Let's now continue with the next step. Since the videos in the niche I showed you earlier use cool background images, I will now show you how to create these images in seconds with ChatGPT easier. Go back to ChatGPT and insert the following prompt. Ask ChatGPT to create an image that contains 5 people or elements, each that can be seen left or right, one below the other, like this example here. Then add your first fact set so ChatGPT knows which elements to generate. Press generate. Nice, that already looks good. We need this image later for our video. Now do the same with the remaining fact sets. This can take a bit. And before I forget, I recently created a free newsletter in which I share valuable information about YouTube automation weekly. I show you the latest AI niches, YouTube tips and much more. The newsletter is free, so click on the link in the description now before you miss it. So after we have now created our images for the videos with ChatGPT, we now come to the probably most important step in the strategy. We now cut everything together. For this we use Canva. It's free and has quite a few functions that we will need later to be able to create multiple videos. Open Canva and create a free account. It's very easy. Click on generate and select TikTok video. You now already have the right formats for the video. Now upload the created image one after another and drag it into the timeline. Make sure that each image is displayed from the same length. I personally use here 50 seconds per image. Do the same with every single image. Now we add the effects. Add a text. To make the whole thing looks better now, we change the font. Add a black border, and if it's necessary, move the text fields so that we can see the elements on the video well and they are not covered. Now copy the text fields 5 times so we can insert all the effects. Now drag the text over all the images. Now make sure that you make a cut between each image change for the text, so that we can now add new effects for each new video. Now copy the effects from ChatGPT into the text fields, and don't forget to change the effects at each cut. This doesn't take long. Now we still need music. Go to the website Pixabay, then to music and select an exciting music here. Listen to many songs to find a suitable music for your video. You can use all songs here for free. If you like a music, download it and insert it in Canva. Drag it into the timeline. Perfect. The music is on every video. Make the volume of the music a bit quieter. Now download the video from Canva and open CapCut. You can also use any other video editing software for this. I use CapCut in this video. Go to CapCut and create a new project. Now insert the finished video from Canva. Drag it into the timeline. Make a cut at each image change because this is a completely separate video. Now we come to the most important step. We will now separate all individual parts of the entire video from Canva so that we can export individual parts of the video. Copy a part and make a right click and press on range. Then on select an area by clip. Now you have highlighted the spot in CapCut. Press export and select 1080p to 60 fps for the best quality. Now do the same for all other parts or images in the video. Through this trick we have now created 10 different videos from one Canva video, and that in a few minutes completely for free. But before you now upload the videos, there's one important thing. I already talked about it at the beginning of the video, and that there's a method with which we can already make money from the first video, because we are not just creating any accounts, we're building real monetizable businesses. And that's exactly where the most people fail. They think that you can only make money with an audience through advertising revenue. But that's not right. I will show you now a secret method right away with which some creators earn several $1,000s extra every month. So use this method as long as it still remains undiscovered. Guys, if you like my edited value, then give the video a like and a comment to show me your support. Because more videos I get on my videos, so more I can research crazy methods for you and create better videos. So if you are new here, then click on subscribe button. Let's get back to the topic. The method I'm showing you is not an affiliate marketing where you promote weird products, but the strategy is different here. Go to the site Meet Glitchy. This site has a lot of offers, especially for short form content. The users who click on the site don't have to buy cheap products, but just only answer simple questions from well-known companies. You earn money immediately as soon as someone has clicked on your link. So sign up on the site. It's completely free, and first deposit a payment method so Glitchy can transfer your money to your account. Then click on offers to see all available options. The best thing about Glitchy is that almost all offers, as you can see here, comes from large and well-known companies that everyone knows. So choose an offer and press copy. Now you have your link with which you can make money. Copy the link into your video description and promote it with an exciting text. You can find the link to the website in the description. However, there's also another important detail that I haven't mentioned in this video yet, but which significantly determines whether your channel will ultimately be successful or will be stuck at 0 views. So I can't show all this information in this video, so I will share this information in my free newsletter now. The newsletter is free, link in the description. Now you can upload the videos with your links. But there's also some important settings that you can have to set on YouTube before you upload your first videos. Click here on the video, I will show you in this video everything you need about it. See you there.